Hey all, this is the math story for Thursday, April 9th. So, we're going to continue with Sam and the captain's story. Remember, the pirates invented cereal, and the pirate captain invented Captain Crunch cereal. We just finally got to cereal. So, we're going to go back to the boat while that was happening, right after the pirates took off, while they were going and getting milk and making cereal. Meanwhile, we return to Sam and the captain on the ship. So after the pirates took the cereal recipe from Sam, he realized he'd invented something really awesome. So he decided that he'd rested long enough on the boat and that it was time to head out on his own again. So he thanked the captain and then he got ready to fly on his own. The crew were really grateful to him for giving him food, so they gave him a backpack. In that backpack, they put 4 apples and 3 bananas. How many fruits did they put in all? Draw a picture and write an equation to show how you solve the problem. So this is a good time to go ahead and hit pause on the video while you do the math problem. Then when you're finished, press play again and we'll go on to the next problem and part of the story. Okay, continuing. The captain wanted to give Sam a gift too, so he gave Sam 16 water bottles. He thought Sam was going to be really thirsty. I don't know, it's a very weird captain. Not sure what's going on there, but he gave him 16 water bottles. 3 of the water bottles were green, 5 of the water bottles were blue, and the rest were red. How many red water bottles did the captain give Sam? Draw a picture and write an equation to show how you solve the problem. Go ahead and press pause now as you solve the problem, then hit play again when you're ready to go on to the next problem. Okay, moving on. So Sam thanked the captain and the crew. As a thank you, he decided he was going to give them some feathers off his back. It was a pretty big crew, and he wanted to give them a lot of feathers. So he gave them 43 red feathers, 33 blue feathers, and 12 green feathers. How many feathers did he give away in all? Draw a picture and write an equation to show how you solve the problem. Hint, this is a good one to use base 10 blocks on because we're using really big numbers. Go ahead and hit pause while you work on it, and then hit play when you're ready to go on to the next problem. Okay, moving on and continuing with the story. So, Sam gave his gifts, he got all the gifts, put on his backpack, and he jumped off the side of the boat and started to fly. Now, you probably know, birds need something to be able to fly. They need feathers, and poor Sam had given his away. He gave away so many feathers that he couldn't stay in the air, so he dropped straight into the water and he landed right in the middle of a school of fish. It wasn't a nice school though, it was a fish that were kind of like piranhas. So the school of fish saw him and they started trying to eat him. They thought he looked tasty, but they didn't know he had super tough skin. So when they bit him, it didn't hurt him at all, but their teeth got stuck. So this is a challenge problem. 7 little fish bit him, and each of those fish lost 4 teeth. They've got 4 teeth stuck in him. Then 2 big fish bit him, and they each lost 9 teeth. How many teeth did Sam have stuck in his skin in all? Draw a picture and write an equation to show how you solve the problem. This is a really tough problem, so if you aren't sure where to start, you could either give it a try or you could go on to something else. Okay, this is our challenge problem for the day. If you would like to know how I solve it, check in with the answers video that's in the link just after these problems. So that is where we're going to leave Sam today. Join us again next week to find out what happens to Sam. I know, I left you on a cliffhanger. You're going to have to find out. Sam's underwater right now with fish attacking him. We'll find out what happens to him next week. Tomorrow, though, is going to be a workplace day, so there won't be a story. Instead, there will be some workplaces that you can make. So, I hope everyone has a good day. I hope you were able to solve some good math problems and had fun with the story. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye.